Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Jogi from goonlinetrainings.com. I wanted to share my life journey with you. After my graduation in 1997, I have done my BSc Maths along with Physics and Chemistry. After that, I came to Hyderabad for the job. In that time, we do not have any IT knowledge because I came from very poor family. I do not have proper support to do the further education, and I got a job in Hyderabad Ramoji Film City. In that, I was working in the hotel industry. So I was earning 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per month. That was the starting point. So 3 years I worked there, and after that, suddenly I met one my neighbor. So he came from Australia. He told me that Bhaskar, after your BSc education, simply you're wasting time in the hotel industry and earning only 1,000 rupees or 1,500 rupees per month. Why don't you try and learn new courses and you can easily get into IT sector? He told me clearly he has done his MCA. After that, learnt Java and got on-site opportunity in working with very big MNC in Australia and earning lakhs of rupees. That was his story. He told me to learn some skills. So immediately I have realized. So with this hotel industry, I will not be able to sustain in the life. So immediately I quit in the year 2000 and went to Bangalore. I got a small job and earning 5,000 rupees there, but that is IT startup company, and I got some the call center executive job there. And with that journey, I used to meet a lot of software engineers in that company. They used to tell me what are the courses we supposed to learn and what is a C language, what is SQL, what is MS Access, what is Excel, all these things they used to say about the courses. So slowly I used to learn these kind of languages in Bangalore. So after 2 years, I got a job with very bigger package. The company is called Unilever. So where 40,000 rupees salary I got it. So within 2 years, from 5,000 rupees to 40,000, I became a software engineer. So only one thing is that anybody can become anything in this life. Only thing is that you need to have proper coaching and proper mentoring, and you need to build slowly the skills. Within 1 month or within 2 days, you will not be able to achieve anything. It took for me almost 2 to 3 years to get into the Unilever company, and I was working with SQL DBA work over there. And after that, I have realized I need to learn SQL development. After that, moved on to business intelligence, data analytics side, and I have learned MSBI, Microsoft Business Intelligence. After that, journey started towards Power BI, cloud computing, Azure, data engineering. All these things in last 25 years I have learned, and I worked for many MNCs like Unilever, TVS Motors, Daimler Chrysler, Patni Computer Chennai, and Accenture Hyderabad, Microsoft Hyderabad. So I worked for many clients, and I have taken a lot of corporate trainings as well with many multinational companies like Infosys Mysuru, Infosys Bangalore, Infosys Hyderabad, Infosys Mangalore, and Cognizant, IBM, and Tata Elxsi, where I have conducted CGI, KPIT Technologies, Pune. I have conducted lot many corporate trainings with them also. Currently, I am not full-time employee anywhere. I came out of IT industry and sharing my knowledge with the younger generation, because when you have younger generation, if they don't have the proper mentor or guru, it will be difficult for them to choose the proper path. So what is important, it is not the course they need to learn. More than that, you have to have proper mentor, a proper guru. So I was lucky to have a proper mentor in my journey. When I went from Hyderabad to Bangalore, I met Mr. Srinivasan Ranganathan in Bangalore. He was from Citibank, and after that he moved to Wipro as a president and vice president Citibank. He is from IIT Chennai, and I am Bangalore. So currently Srinivasan Ranganathan is working for Indian School of Business ISB, and he was my mentor for last 10 years. Under his guidance, I have learnt many things. So under his guidance only, I have started taking a lot of classes. Initially, I do not know how to speak in English because I came from very small village background. So where we do not have not even proper English teacher to to learn proper English, because it is very small school and government schools from where I have started my journey. So what I say that it is not the the starting point is not so important for anybody in this world. So you need to have proper knowledge, proper gurus or mentors in your life, so that anybody can become anything in this world. So we can read lot of articles on Abraham Lincoln. He was a shoemaker initially, but landed in, and he has become a president of America. We can read about Mr. Modi. He was a chai maker in one of the railway stations in India, but now he's a president of India. So what is that we can gain? It is not the starting point. You would be a housewife, and or you may be working for a banking industry earning very very less, or you may be working for Zomato, maybe working for Swiggy, or you may be working running your own business where you don't have the proper income. You may be in 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Age is also doesn't matter. What is that? Today, you can learn any course from anywhere with the help of an online platform. So with the help of Bhaskar Jogi GoOnline trainings platform, we are offering lot many courses, especially for the rural background, people who cannot come to Hyderabad, or people who cannot come to cities, and who they are not able to learn they are not able to put lot of money, and staying in the cities will be difficult for them. So those kind of people can easily learn with a laptop and internet. By sitting at home, you will be able to learn no coding or low coding lot of programs with the best mentors like us. We are going to be teaching the complete course. Within 3 to 6 months of time, you will be able to become a data analyst. We have couple of courses that we are offering through online. One is called data analytics. The second one is called data engineering. Third one is data science, AI and ML. And the fourth one, full stack Python development. So all these things you can learn by sitting at home, but you cannot complete them within 1 or 2 months. You need to have minimum 3 to 6 months of time for the data analytics or data engineering. For the data science, even though it is a complex and you need to have more stats, maths background, but lot of opportunities worldwide. You can also learn data science, AI and ML courses with the help of goonlinetrainings.com, and the full stack Python also you can learn if you're a fresher, right? So we are going to be giving best industry faculties. I'll be the faculty for the data analytics and data engineering. It will be 6 months course. Data analytics, data engineering, these courses are completely no coding or low coding programs. Anybody can learn this kind of courses. You may be 10 years, you may be having 10 years of gap in your career, or you may be trying out for government jobs. You couldn't succeed in that. So simply you call us, you try to enroll with us, so that you will be able to learn data analytics using Power BI within 3 to 6 months of time. So first 3 months you will be given the complete theory, and after 3 months we are going to be giving lot of practical assignments in the project, so that you will get industry exposure. If you keep minimum 3 to 5 years of experience, you can get in India minimum 15 to 20 lakh salary package as a data analyst. Lot of housewives, lot of bankers, lot of insurance agents, lot of pharma industry background students, lot of BCom accountants, lot of M-Pharmacy students have taken the course, and they have transitioned to IT industry. So daily 2 to 3 hours of efforts, when you put it, you can become a data analyst within 6 months. So we are going to be giving you complete roadmap. You can check the description below for the more details. You can subscribe our channel Go Online Trainings or Bhaskar Jogi channel for more details. Thank you guys.